So we started today's video with someone who has hair around mid-length. Looks like she's getting some color here. Ooh, wow, loving this old money style bob makeover. This is absolutely gorgeous. And the color, of course, looks amazing as well. Such a gorgeous hairstyle that you can wear this spring and summer season. So here we have someone with hair around their shoulders, and she gets the hair cut into this beautiful modern pixie style. She's got a nice little nape there area, and then we move into another semi-long to short transformation. So it looks like she wants to get like a short curly style pixie, which I think would look really great with her textured hair. It's very nice and thick. Ooh, this is absolutely gorgeous. And if she does, wet the hair and add some gel, she can get a little bit more of a curly texture. Wow, she has some beautiful, long, thick, curly hair here. Oh, and the stylist does this beautiful pixie. Wow, such a gorgeous cut. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations.